guys, we are out fishing. Yeah, we're at our first spot. We are gonna have a flick for some flathead. We came here yesterday and I got 2 big ones, and yeah, we got a couple of them yesterday. But yeah, see if we can't do it again. Yeah, gonna have a crack. Lachlan, he's over there having a flick, and then the rest of us are over here. They're catching some bait, some live bait, trying to catch them. But yeah, gonna keep flicking, see if we can't catch a couple more donkeys. I got one. Yes, it's a donkey. It's a donkey. It's a monster. What a specimen. Calm down. Come on. Calm down. Yes. Strikes again. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. I think I did 3 casts and I got one. There. Beautiful. I'll get him unhooked. Keep have another flick. Alright, just got this flatty. It's a big one. We're gonna take him. There, I'll lead him out and I'll go take him to the esky and keep going. See if we can't catch some more, eh? I got the flathead here bleeding. I'm gonna keep going. See if I can't catch another one out of the same spot. Oh, I got a bit of sand. Hang on, I got a bit of sand in my reel. Alright, I got the sand out, so we're going good now. Alright, she's on over there. I'll go see what it is. Alright, Irina just got one. That's also a nice fish.
One on the board for me.
Alright, I think we've been here for like under 10 minutes and that's already 2. So, yeah, I think it's going to be a good day. It is getting pretty dark, so I think we might get rained on. But, who cares? See if we can't catch any more. Oh yeah, it's a good one. She caught another one.
Yes!
Jeez.
2 for me! Whoop whoop! Teeth in there, man.
The mission of trying to unhook it.
No, I just like trying.
Lachlan's got one too. Everybody's got one. He reckons it's a good one. Is it a good one or are you lying to me? Oh yeah? Not bad, not bad if I say so myself. I think that's number 4 or 5, I'm not sure. Well, we're catching flatties anyway. pick it up.
I was very hesitant.
Oh, good release. Having a bit of trouble. Alright, no. As soon as the camera's there, he gets it.
Trying too hard.
Good fish.
Good fish.
Alright, go and catch some more. And yes, it is starting to rain. And it is pretty cold. Plenty of sandflies. Look at this. As soon as I walk out into the water. Alright, we got some grass. Oh, there's plenty of them. Jesus. Whew. Right there, right in front of me. Oh, it's jumping. Beautiful. It's only a little, it's a smaller one. Oh, no, spat it. Nearly hooked me too. Yeah, oh, it's here, it's still there. Yeah, it was right there. And yeah, hooked it. Damn it. Oh, that's not very good. Yeah, see if I can't catch it again. Alright, it has started to rain. You can see it all pushing through from over there. Oh, yeah, the sky looks nice. But yeah, it has started to rain. We're gonna keep having a go, see if we can't catch any more, see if this rain will push it through or whatever. Hopefully we can catch a couple more and then head home. But just gotta keep trying, keep casting. Yeah, I can't believe that I missed that flat. It was right in front of me, it hooked up, and then popped. Unbelievable. Alright, Ryan ended up getting two good sized ones. Have anything to say?
First cast of the golden bobber.
He had a good crack. It is starting to rain heavier now. Everyone's starting to pack their crap up, get ready. Dad's still over there, walking up, having a flick. So yeah, we have to try and get out before this boat gets stuck. Lachlan wants to be in here with his fish too. Alright, I think we're gonna head to... It's a pit viper, so I'm starting to fog up. Yeah, but I think we're gonna head up to another spot maybe, have another go, or we might head home. So yeah. Anyway, I'll see you wherever we end up. Another one straight after. Good fish. Another one shot off.
Yeah, I know, I just shot off behind you. And Caleb's on. It's the one I lost. Ooh, he's on, don't spit. Oh, look at it. It's got your lure. What do you want to grab it with?
We're back at the first spot where we were before. We're up for it, well, me, Lachlan, and everybody caught a flathead, I'm pretty sure. Oh, we got, I think, 4 or 5 here. But yeah, as you've seen, I've had a couple muck-ups and lost a couple fish. That last one was disappointing because I lost my lure as well. I walked with it for like 100 meters trying to grab it, but I couldn't grab it. It just kept going more and more as soon as I went to grab it. But yeah, we're back here. I've got a new lure. Hopefully we can bend a rod. Go on. Yes. It's only a little one. Finally, I got another one. After those 2 I lost. It's not as big as all the other ones I've got, but it's still a fish. This is our haul so far. There's a couple of them in there. Oh, hey, just found. You wouldn't believe what we find out here.
Big deer wrap.
Wrap of deer skull.
Oh, there's a crab on it and everything.
Yeah, that was just floating out in the water.
Floating.
No, it was in the water. That's a crab.
Oh, it's in slow.
Cool. Now that he's on video, he has to go.
You're dead! You're not allowed to stop. Come on! Come on!
You're on video now, you have to keep going.
Hey, it's not easy.
Alright, that's going to wrap up this video. So we went down the creek, caught a fair few flathead, had a good time. I mucked up a couple of times and lost some, but you know what, that's fishing. Everyone's up here at the moment, or Lachlan and Paul. Once I finish this video, I'm going to start to help, but yeah, starting to fill it.
Hey, look at my thought.
Yeah, we're going to finish cleaning these fish, and then have good feed tonight. Alright, if you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you next time.